Imagine being trapped. Not by walls. Not by chains. But by something that doesn't even exist anymore. Think about the last time you wanted to try something new, but a quiet voice in your head said, "Don't bother. It won't work out anyway." So you didn't do it. We call that being realistic. Psychologists call it something else. They call it a mental prison. And to understand exactly how you built yours and how to break out of it today, we have to go back to a very strange experiment. Back in the 19th century, a researcher set up a very cruel, but very revealing experiment. He took a large, hungry pike, and put it in a glass tank. Then, he dropped in its favorite food, a school of tiny minnows. The pike did what pike do. It attacked. But there was a glass barrier in the middle. It couldn't reach them. But the pike was hungry. So, it tried again. For hours, the pike threw itself at the glass but bumped into it. Again, and again, until finally, it stopped. It just gave up. The pain of trying became greater than the desire to eat. But here is the twist. The scientist reached in and removed the glass. The barrier was gone. The minnow swam freely right past the pike's nose. And what did the pike do? Nothing. It just floated there. It eventually starved to death, surrounded by food. Because it wasn't trapped by the glass anymore. It was trapped by the belief that the glass was still there. Now, why am I telling you about a fish? Because at some point in your life, you stopped trying to. Think about it. That business you never started. That person you never talked to. That dream you quietly packed away in a box in the back of your mind. You tried something once. Maybe twice. You failed. You got rejected. It hurt. You hit the glass. And you hit it so hard, that you decided it was safer to just stay on your side of the tank. You convinced yourself, I just can't do this. But tell yourself the truth, can't you do that actually? Psychologists call this learned helplessness. Your brain is a pattern recognition machine. It is designed to protect you from pain. When you fail repeatedly, your brain creates an invisible barrier. It rewires itself to say, trying equals pain. Stop trying. That barrier feels incredibly real. It causes real anxiety. Real fear. Real hesitation. But it's not reality. It's memory controlling you. You are letting a past version of yourself dictate what your future version is allowed to do. So, how do you break glass that isn't even there? You don't do it with fake motivation. You don't need confidence right now. You need proof. You need to show your brain that the barrier is gone. And you do that by trying once. With zero expectations. You don't try to become a great writer today. You just write one paragraph. You don't try to run a marathon. You just put your shoes on and step outside. You just test the water. When you take one tiny step and realize, wait, I didn't hit my head this time, your brain starts to unlearn the helplessness. You rebuild trust in yourself. The glass was real once. The pain was real once. But it's not there anymore. You are starving, surrounded by everything you've ever wanted. It's time to swim forward. So don't just stop there and think you can't do this. Check the water first. What if the glass you are fearing is gone long time ago? If this made you see yourself differently, subscribe. Because next time, I'm going to show you another hidden pattern. The one that is silently controlling your life without you even realizing it.